Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today is hashtag Masterboard Monday. Let's make one. So let me start off. I have no idea what this is going to turn out to be. We'll just do it together. I have some Mod Podge. This is one of my things that I love to use when I'm doing a masterboard. I like to use my matte medium when I'm doing decoupage and other things, but I like this because it adds some texture. I've got wallpaper. I like this. Wallpaper. Let me see, turn around. Wallpaper. Okay. I've got a piece of one of my digitals. Literally a piece because I'm working on something. I've got some washi tape. Here are some alcohol ink sheets that I was working on. Here is this came from Hobby Lobby. I have this pillow. I'm going to use this at some point in time. I got receipts. Just all kinds of receipts. Are these Joann's receipts? I think these are, yep. Look. Old Joann receipts. I figure they need a home. Here are some Hobby Lobby receipts. These are some time cards that I dyed. Calyx units, unfortunately. IKEA is no longer in my area, but you know. Got, what is this, a card that came in something. Here is some paper some remnants of some paper that I dyed a little bit. Here's a sheet that I dyed. Here is a paper placemat. Let's just get to it, okay? I never know how my masterboards are going to turn out. Never. So I would be lying to you if I said, well, we're going to do this and we're going to do this. No, we're not, because I don't know. I have no idea. No idea. But I see, I start, I do. You know what? I figured, you know what, these would be wonderful in here. Wow. Now I'm going to let this dry at some point in time. But end of the day, now most people, if you don't make a masterboard, you probably don't see this. You don't see that. You're saying to yourself, For me, it's all about the dimensions. You look in here, you pull something out, bits and pieces. It's the bits and pieces of what it can be. Hold on a second. I don't think I want that there. Okay, what else do I want to put on here? Okay, so everyone, it's curing right now. My masterboard is curing. Now, I'm not like a lot of other people. When my masterboard is finished, I don't cut it. I save it, I photograph it, I cut it down, I print it, I use it in different types of crafting. But the reason I chose to go ahead and work on a masterboard today is because there are so many people that think that you have to have all of these elaborate craft materials to create a masterboard. No, you don't. You just have to have things, scraps, vision. Art is left up into, art is interpretation. Think about it. Art is a matter of interpretation in terms of what you think it is. And once you put it together, you use your eyes, others will see what you're trying to say. So here's one of my masterboards. I hadn't created one in a minute, and I needed to because once again, like I said, I use them. And you should too. See that texture I was talking about? It's in its process of curing. I love it. I just love it. Love it so much. Everyone, this is Lynn from Paper Piece. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune in to me today. Like I said, today is hashtag Masterboard Monday or hashtag make something with your masterboard, I think. And I just decided to go ahead and make a masterboard because I wanted a new one. Thank you for taking the time to tune in. Really. If you would like, share, subscribe, come back and see me again, I'd greatly appreciate it. And guess what? Make a masterboard. Take care.